Alright, back with part two of Contenders 0910. Got 3 of the 4 autos you're supposed to get. But let's see what happens. Hey, Rondo season ticket. We'll go in the not good pile. Russell Westbrook. Ground control, Tony Parker. Wow. Kirilenko, Elton Brand. The cards look pretty good. When you watch the vids, I guess they kind of blur out, but I don't know do they look alright? They look alright to me. So I watch a lot of football of this, and I kind of badmouthed it. Didn't buy any, but I may have made a mistake there. I got our last rookie auto, big one. Chase Budinger, not. Jason Kidd, Tyreek Evans, Chris Gassan, Joakim Noah. I don't know, you might get 5 autos and someone will only get 3 in the next box. Let's hope so, eh? Nene, Kevin Marion, Kareem Abdul-Jabbar Classic, Neve Stash, and Andre Miller. Kurt Thomas, Zach Randolph, Rookie of the Year contender, Tyreek Evans. Not. Tayshaun Prince, Devin Harris. Alright. Al Thornton, Tony Parker. Draft class of Brook Lopez, not numbered. Medical. CP3 base. Jeff Green, Nate Robinson, Jalen Rose, Classic, Daquan Cook, and Carmelo, who is carving it up this year. Forestier, Jose Calderon, lottery winners. Deron Williams, numbered 56 of 100. Let me know if you want it, Ultimate Deron. Caron Butler and LaMarcus Aldridge. Come on, let's go. 1 auto, punch above your weight. Hockey style. Alright, TJ Ford, we got a lottery winners, Michael Beasley, not numbered, and we got a draft tandems, Glenn Rice, Dikembe Mutombo, Gerald Wallace, Richard Jefferson. I'm going to have to go through these base, see if I missed a parallel or something. I don't normally, but, you know, we're all human. Darko Milicic, Corey Maggette, you know, Brandon Roy and Mr. Ugly, Greg Oden, 1-2 punch, Jimmy Nelson, Ryan Gomez. 2 packs to go. Alright. Chris Bosh, Kobe. 1-2 punch of OJ frickin' Mayo and Rudy Gay. Numbered 69 of 100, making it a 1 of 1. It's the only 69 of 100 you'll find, guys. Josh Howard, Michael Redd. Last pack. Alright, Ron Artest, Al Jefferson, and then we've got a Derrick Rose, James Harden, round 1 numbers, T-Mac base, and Josh Smith base. That's Playoff Contenders 0910. 4 autos is pretty cool, but you know, you want players, you know, I guess. Yeah, thanks YouTube, thanks Cherry, and got a couple of boxes of Topps Platinum Football. that I'll have to bust later on. Thanks.